How to create dashboard on ClickUp. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you through the process of creating a dashboard on ClickUp. So let's get started. First of all, open your ClickUp account and sign in with your account credentials, and once you sign in you'll be able to see something like this. So click on this dashboards at the left of your screen, and here you can see multiple options, so just click on create dashboard. You can either select any dashboard template already or click on this new dashboard at the top right of your screen. So once you click on new dashboard, you'll be able to see templates. So there is a simple dashboard, team reporting, time tracking, project management, client portal, or start from scratch. So let us click on simple dashboard. Once you click on simple dashboard, you'll need to type down the location of your project. So you can just type down the location and then click on create dashboard. And now here you can see that your dashboard has been created, and here are multiple options that you can use, such as you can see the in progress tasks of your topics, and here there are multiple of stuff. You can even see tasks and what task is completed and what is going on. And then there is another, that is project management dashboard. So you can monitor deadlines, manage tasks, and see real-time updates over here, and see what your team is doing right now and what needs to be done and what is in progress, and how the team is excelling with the time, and what are they doing to make this progress smoother. All of that would be displayed over here. And then we have a time tracking dashboard where you can time track everything. So it brings all time related data into a single dashboard. So you don't need to go on and search for time related stuff on your ClickUp again and again. You can just see that over here in dashboard. So you can even add cards over here. You can add more than 60 cards, such as featured, custom, sprints, if you wish your team to work in sprints, such as sprints burn down, sprints burn up. You can just give it a look and see that which sprint is suitable for your team. And then we have statuses, that is that if you wish to check the statuses, and then tags, assignees. You can even click on priorities and time tracking and other stuff. So there are different dashboards, and as well as different cards you can add to the dashboard for a better view and understanding. There are some other also embedded apps, and then here we have the power of AI in your dashboard. So for example, if you need to search for a task that is assigned to you or anything, you could just write that down to the AI. Like, let me write down that what tasks am I working on, and instead of manually going and searching for that, you can just ask that from AI, and AI will find the tasks there that you are working on right now. So you can just ask them the questions and ask them to find the tasks. For example, what tasks are my colleagues working and everything like that. So it's pretty simple, and that was how you can create dashboards on ClickUp. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video.